there, RLT family. This is Greg. Welcome to your Friday Real Life Stock Review.
Real life traders, what is up? Jeremy Newsom, Friday Trade Review. Let's go look at Spotify in yesterday's afternoon room.
Spotify, SPOT, daily time frame. Earnings are about to come up. Last earnings had a pretty big gap down. Earnings before that looks like it gapped down. Earnings before that looked like it gapped down. And then you had a gap up in April. Interesting. So yeah, Spotify a little bit on the lower side. Kind of cool to see. Giant head and shoulders. That is correct, Joseph. Yep, you're absolutely right. If it takes out that neckline. Yeah. I'm actually relatively bullish with this candle pattern. Chris says bull put spread candidate. Yes. Yeah, I think she wants to do that. It's out of support, exact price that we bounced 3 times before. And today you had a gap up into a bearish candle. Bear candle gapping up into a bearish candle. So if we start going higher, especially if we take out the high of today, I'd be looking to go more long. Now, keep in mind that earnings are right around the corner on Spotify. So I probably won't take any swing trade, but I could day trade it. You can day trade anything.
And day trading we shall. This was a really, really cool setup. Super easy, amazing, immaculate fun. I've actually enjoyed trading Spotify. I don't think I've ever actually lost day trading this one. Really weird. But anyway, great gap up today. Here's the 5-minute chart, and it doesn't get any easier than this. Look at this candle. I mean, the very, very, very first 5-minute candle took out the high of yesterday. You know, I mean, the extended hours, you had a little bit of a gap up. What intrigued me, and this is one that I wish I had played heavier, but breaking above this pre-market high right there was kind of like my signal to go, okay, well, obviously this is going to bounce, but this was the 3-minute chart right there. So, I mean, it really just crushed in the very, very, very first few minutes. So I wasn't able to play it until over here with that consolidation and the pullback and the break out of that. But break out of that into 277 with a stop at 274, traded right up into that 200, simple moving average of 283. Solid little trade, if I do say so myself. So anyway, again, folks, it's all about that analysis on the daily chart. All kinds of traders absolutely roadhousing AMD today. AMD was a wonderful, wonderful gap as well. Had a phone call with one of my private client coaching students, George Gallant, yesterday, and he asked, hey, Jeremy, are we buying AMD? Because it had a big sell-off. And I was like, yes, we are. So also very similar strategy to Spotify. Perfect gap up, trapping some bears from yesterday. This is kind of how I played it. Wide stop for sure, but still worked out nicely. And just trade up into the 200 simple moving average as a target. So, hey, you know, carve out gains where you can get them. But today really is quite nice for a lot of traders out there. So congrats to all the green out there in your account. My friends, I am so in love with everything that you guys do. Thank you for being a part of Real Life Trading. Please join us tomorrow for the Back Trading Marathon. It's actually free. It was $199, but there was only 8 people that signed up for that price. So do me a favor. Join RSVP. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you want to donate, you can. Let's enjoy a whole Saturday together, back trading our faces off until our fingers are numb. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to learn so much. It's going to be the greatest back trading experience of my life. And I want to see you there. We're donating to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, which I was honored to be nominated as Man of the Year by this organization for Tennessee. So let's continue to give as much as we can, provide value, and enrich lives. Tomorrow, I'll see you there. You guys rock. Goodbye.
Bam. That's it. Your Friday trade review. Thank you for being a loyal Real Life Trading subscriber to our YouTube channel. And if you're not, what are you doing? Smash that red subscribe button and click that bell. You rock.